incredible. I didn't expect it to be like this easy. So it's time to take these out. What can I say? Tape-ins have been good, but what everybody wants to know, what I want to know is what's it gonna give when I take it out. I'm feeling good. Like, I didn't have any tension. All right, the pros of tape-ins. Let me just run through that real quick. You can do what you want with your hair. I mean, you can part it anywhere. You can put it up. The way that I did my tape-ins, I didn't like plan on wearing my hair up. But like, this feels like nothing. Like, it literally feels like nothing. Like, somebody come to touch your head, they're not feeling no tracks, they're not feeling no braids. So ladies, with your man, he's not gonna feel like, he's not gonna feel nothing. It's flat, okay? It's flat. So that's the best thing about tape-ins for me, is the versatility and how flat it is. I didn't wash it, so this is like going on week 3, and it's like oily, you know? It's not like giving like fresh, like how it was when I first did them. But I would say they held up pretty good for me to not have washed, blow dried, flat ironed every day. Like, I didn't do that. I started with clean hair and a really good protein treatment so that, you know, my hair could be nice and strong for these guys. So I haven't washed my hair in weeks with this thing in. Like, I have some new growth, so I can see that at the top. Well, I can see it because I know where I laid them. So yeah, it's just time to take them out. Gotta be honest, I was not crazy about this hair. Maybe it's the texture, maybe I definitely want to try tape-ins again, but with a different texture, maybe something wavier or closer to my hair texture, so I don't have to like flat iron it to blend it as much, because that's not cute. And yeah, like, luckily I never got caught in the rain. Well, I did, but my hair didn't revert, which is interesting. But it wasn't like pouring rain. But like, if you get your hair wet and the hair is straight and your hair is curly, you got a situation. So there's that. My only con is I'm not crazy about this hair texture. If to me it feels like more like pack hair. Like, it doesn't feel, and it's Remy hair, so I think Remy is usually like some type of blend, so it doesn't feel like, you know, that raw unprocessed hair that I prefer to wear. But I mean, it did good, and I did it myself, so it was free. I can't be mad. I'm gonna just stop wrapping, and I may just start taking this out. So I'm gonna be using this oil sheen. You can use whatever you want. There's nothing on there. There's nothing. Nothing on there. cannot believe how easy this was. I'm just speeding it up because at this point it's pretty repetitive. I just used that oil sheen to loosen up the adhesive, and it pretty much just slips right out. I don't know what the oil does to this adhesive, but it does what it needs to do. There also is like actual remover that you can use to remove your tape ins, but if you already have oil sheen at home, this can was like, I don't know, like less than $5. Use some oil sheen. Some of them were a little more stubborn, but I just needed some more oil and they peeled off. So obviously just be gentle, take your time, but I had no damage. Like none of my hair came out. You can see no hair was left on the tape. There was no adhesive or like sticky stuff left in my hair. It just slipped right the freak out. I was so freaking impressed. Like I did not expect it to be this easy and come out so like effortlessly. As you can see, my hair is dirty because I haven't washed it in a couple weeks, but that's not product, that's not glue, that's just flakes from my hair. After this, I just washed it and conditioned it like regular. I had like some shedding, of course, because my hair has been in this style for weeks, but no damage, no hair loss. So go ahead and try this. There it is. It doesn't rip out your hair. It's a win for us. Dog, like this is unbelievable. There is no glue in my hair. Like, yeah, I'm getting shedding because I haven't, because my hair's been in this style for weeks. But like, yo, this is freaking incredible. I didn't expect it to be like this easy. Like they're literally slipping out. So another thing is if you have oily hair, this style might be interesting for you. Like I don't know if your tape-ins would end up if your tape-ins would end up slipping out, because obviously the oil is what like releases that adhesive. But dog, this is freaking, try not to curse, this is freaking easy. It's not gonna pull your hair out by taking it out, that's for sure. Now if you have this out and you're pulling it and you have a lot of you're like doing a lot of tight styles, then I can't look. Like since it's oily, I can just put my finger through there and it's loosening up. I'm right here, Moose. Say hi. Hi. So someone just woke up from his nap. I'm going to go ahead and finish taking this out. Y'all see how easy it is. I just wanted to show y'all how it comes out. I'm so happy that my hair did not come out with it because I don't have hair to spare. Okay, so ooh, moosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, but thank you for watching. Hope you try this style and I'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And check out some of my other videos right here. See you in the next one. Bye.